Hello everyone, my name is Babar Hussain and you are watching my YouTube channel Babar Technical. So friends, in today's video we are going to resolve a issue that sometimes occurred in phpMyAdmin in XAMPP control panel, which shows that access is denied for user root at the rate localhost with the using password. So you can see that MySQL is running on the port 3306. It is up and successfully running. Despite of that, we are unable to access our phpMyAdmin dashboard page. So what we are going to do, open mysql.ini file. All right. Inside it, we are going to add a flag, escape, grant tables. All right. Just save it, refresh it once again. Still issue is not fixed. Issue is not resolved by adding that line of code. Go to the Explorer. Inside Explorer, we are going to open phpMyAdmin, open config.inc. This is the configuration file for the phpMyAdmin. Inside here you can see there's a configuration for our user root with the password admin_42. So remove it, save it. Once again, just refresh it. Now you can see the phpMyAdmin is successfully loaded, but it is without using any password. You are not using any password for the root user to log in. If you want to set down any password, you can set it. For example, root@123. This is the password. I saved it. Once again, load it. Now it is showing the same error which was showing earlier. So we are going to set a password like root@123. Just go to the database. This is our database. Inside database, we are going to run a query to see the users and their password. Select asterisk from mysql.user. So you can see there is no any password set down for these users. So here we are going to set a password for the root with the host localhost. All right. So just set a password root@123 and run this command. Our command is successfully executed. You can see that a password is now set. Now if we go to the phpMyAdmin once again and refresh it, it is login successfully because we have set password root@123. I hope this video helped you for resolving your issues. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming latest videos. Thank you so much.